So you're telling me this miracle hair revival kit is going to solve all my hair loss problems? Pfft, sure.
After a few weeks.
Okay, I'll admit it. It seems to be doing something. I can see and feel a difference in my hair. Particle Hair Revival Kit combines a powerful, scientifically tested formula to fight hair loss and help hair grow back, with a silicone-based scalp massager to stimulate circulation and absorption of the active ingredients in the formula. Its ingredients, including capixyl and biotin, are supported by extensive research and proven to address both the hormonal and cellular aspects of hair loss. This revolutionary product for fighting hair loss was specifically engineered for even the most skeptical of men. Plus, the Hair Revival Kit is backed by hundreds of satisfied customers and has a 30-day, no questions asked, 100% money-back guarantee, so you can trust it to deliver results.
3 months later.
Holy smokes, what a change! Thanks, Particle Hair Revival Kit.